Okay, now we're going to build another fact family. We'll see if we can write 2 addition and 2 subtraction equations to go with this representation that we're going to make here. So here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 counters in total. So I'm going to pop this into a bar model. So I've got 9 in total. You see the long bar across giving me my total. And then this bar I'm going to put, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 yellow counters in this part. So I'm going to draw a line here and I'm going to write 5. This is where my 5 yellow counters were. Now here I'm going to move my 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to move my 4 red counters and I'm going to add into here the number 4 because I've got this part was my 5 yellow counters, this part was my 4 red counters, and this part across the top here is my total. In total I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 counters. Now I've still got these counters up here if I need them to help me with this maths fact family, or I might just be able to use the bar model that I've drawn. So once again I'm going to start off with my addition number sentences. Now I have to think really hard here because when we were doing the addition we're adding the parts together to make the whole. So first of all I'm going to start off by thinking about if I added my 5 yellow counters to my 4 red counters, that would be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 counters in total. But what we remember about addition is it doesn't matter which order you add those parts, does it? So this time I'm going to start with my 4 red counters. I'm going to add my 5 yellow counters, and that is still equal to my whole, which is 9. So I've got 2 addition number sentences to go with this bar model. Now I'm going to think about my subtraction. When I'm thinking about my subtraction, I want to start with my whole and then I'm going to take away one of the parts. So I'm going to start this time with my 9 counters. I'm going to take away, I'm going to subtract my 5 yellow counters first. So subtract 5 is equal to, remember if I took away this part here, I would have just this part left. So if I took away these 5 counters, I would still have my 4 red counters. So let's look at that number sentence. We've got 9, subtract 5 is equal to 4. So I have my 9 counters, I subtracted the 5 yellow ones, and that left me with the 4 red ones. I've got one more number sentence that I could write to go with this bar model, and I think I might squeeze it in the top there. So once again for my subtraction I'm going to start with my whole. So I'm going to say 9 subtract, last time I took away the 5 yellow counters, this time I'm going to start by taking away the 4 red counters. So 9 subtract 4 is equal to 5. Now this, guys, is a fact family because we have used these numbers, this set of numbers, to create these 4 number sentences, 2 subtraction and 2 addition. Now it's going to be your challenge today to write some fact families of your own.